Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, we're back. We are. Right, nice to see you guys. Now today, we've got a really busy day, but we're starting off at the beach today for our little intro. But we have got a good day. Alpie's in good form. We're going to Patong today. Yeah, we're going to go Patong. But first of all, we've got to go to the park. Alpie's got to do his little wander around. Fisherman, you right? Come down to check to see if the police are on the road at the moment, because we might just make our way to Patong very shortly. Take Alfie with me. We're going to go in the sidecar. And we've got to try and get a pair of new trainers today, so I'm going to show you a good place to get them. Right, let's go to Patong. No, let's go Patong. And it's breakfast. It's breakfast time. Yeah, I'm in Patong sneakers at the moment. Trainers, whatever you want to call them. Jungceylon. Oh, I've got to have a little update, see how much I weigh these days. Here we go. Now we're still exactly the same. I think you took.
You see Thailand. See the best of the best. see the best of the champion.
We're back. We just popped into the Phuket. The Phuket Turk. I'll be meeting the girls. Now we're right at the end of Patong at the moment, just before you go up the hill towards Kamala. Yeah, on this little beach down here. Really nice. Well, people ask me all the time, why did I come to Thailand? Why do I want to live in Thailand? Well, I'll tell you why I want to live in Thailand. Because I can't think of anywhere else better to be. I can't. Where we are now, we're in the middle of Patong. But okay, yeah, the boy man, busy. It's about 5 o'clock, so everybody's either leaving work and getting out of town. Yeah. People sticking their heads out the window. Girls are girlies.